Welcome to MyFavorito. With us, you can generate more sales, customer loyalty, and business growth, and support sports at the same time. Follow these 9 steps to become a fan-empowered sponsor. Sign up on MyFavorito.com. Click Sign up as a sponsor on our website. Similar to a profile, this is what users see in the app, website, and MyFavorito widgets embedded in clubs or sponsors' websites. Define a conditional outcome you want to see happen in your store or business. Do you want more sales or store visits? Do you want customers to view your latest video or marketing campaign? This can all be achieved with MyFavorito. Then define a money value you're willing to pay to the fan's favorite sports club when they redeem your offer. Promote your sponsorship offer. Sponsorship offers will appear in the MyFavorito app, website, as well as clubs, websites, and MyFavorito communities. But you can also promote them in-store and via existing social media channels. This is a great way to differentiate yourself from the competition and create an emotional driver for your product. After learning they can support their club when spending money with your brand, customers will prefer to spend with you. Fans redeem your offer for their club. Fans and customers can earn money for their club by redeeming your sponsorship offers, by entering alphanumeric codes in the MyFavorito website, watching videos or reading news in the app, scanning QR codes, or entering words, phrases, or hashtags in the app. They select their club and redeem. Get connected with clubs and fans. Use the MyFavorito dashboard to reach out to clubs that you want to connect with. Send automated payments to clubs. At MyFavorito, our mission is to send money to sports clubs, and we make that as easy as possible. MyFavorito automates all financial processes in the background. We charge you the due fees from all clubs and pay them out to the sports clubs. Generate more sales, loyalty, and growth by creating real relationships with fans and clubs with measurable results. Continue creating sponsorship offers, building connections with fans and clubs, and growing your business while supporting sports. Sign up today on MyFavorito.com. Get access to your details instantly, follow our easy-to-use welcome assistant, and create your first sponsorship offer in less than 10 minutes.